far as I'm concerned, 66% say that they have no clear idea right now what the president wants to accomplish.
Whether people believe he's getting the results that are needed. And we've seen his approval ratings on the economy dip to new lows. 68% think the president has not made real progress in fixing the economy. In fact, even the president's closest political advisors acknowledge that in an election year, a number like that is like a ball and chain.
Primary season seems to be unfolding where nobody seems to be able to get a large group of people to, coalesce around them. I mean, you get 20% for Gingrich, you get 20% for Romney. Everybody gets up to that.
You know what's so frightening is that if the president, who was a competent man, or at least an intelligent man, and not crazy, not a clown, isn't going to get elected, and they put up one of these assholes. That's really scary.
This Sunday on 6 Minutes. And Bob Schieffer's guests on Face the Nation Sunday will include Congresswoman Michelle Bachmann. Later in this broadcast, Dean Reynolds with Republican Ron Paul. Tied for second where the voting is only about 3 weeks away.
I think Ron Paul could
Europe
win.
made some progress today
You would vote for
resolving
him.
the debt crisis when the did boost. The Dow closed up 186 points and finished the week with a gain of nearly 1.5%, the second straight winning week. We asked senior business correspondent Anthony Mason